German philosopher Martin Heidegger said, "We still by no means think decisively enough about the essence of action," meaning we basically have always had the power and the ability to not only think about ourselves with extreme responsibility, character, and caution, but also about what we think, do, and achieve in our lives can also be retrospected and introspected because of our intelligence, comprehension, capability, intellect, knowledge, etc. So that's how it works. We just are not creatures that cannot think and that cannot reflect. We have the inherent capacity not only for knowledge, without which we just cannot live, but we can also derive knowledge, wisdom, and morality from our dealings with external circumstances and with other people. And we can also become invincible from the external world by overcoming our own internal limitations and by also conquering the other societal limitations and biases and hypocrisies in one way or another. And that means we don't have the means available. We don't have the means of criticality, rationality, reason, character, authenticity, morality, sovereignty, etc. in our mind, soul, heart. But still, we sometimes decisively try to think about our actions. We first have to become sovereign, authentic, distinctive, and independent in our mind, soul, and heart, and then only we will become decisive enough to make decisions, choices based upon our conduct and needs and capacities and circumstances, and not because of external validation, societal attention, or because of materialistic possessions, wealth, greed, avarice, possession, etc. So the essence of action can only be thought about and interpreted when we have the necessary amount of fundamental character and authenticity and sovereignty and reasonable attitude and mentality in ourselves, or if we have developed it and pursued it through hard work, dedication, discipline, desire, and intention, then also we will be able to think about the basic quality and nature of our actions. But if we do not have the means available to ourselves, then we will not be able to think very decisively enough about the essence, the repercussions, and the consequences of our actions. So basically, we have to first develop the internal powers and the emotional, mental, and psychological abilities and intelligence and intellectual caliber. And then they will become the means to our thinking and to our actions. And then we will also be able to think about